I've been kindly sent this solar powered lantern from GlobaLink. So let's take a look, see what you get in the box and see how you use it. Okay, so first up, get this packet, and it's got I think they said it's a survival bracelet. So it clips in like that, stick it around your wrist. It's got some kind of cutting tool, small serrated edge on there. Maybe you can pull that out, and maybe it's a screwdriver, I don't really know. And there's a small whistle there as well. Okay, and what else do you get? Get a standard USB cable with micro USB, and a little clip to maybe clip it onto your backpack. Small instruction manual and the unit itself. So let's take a look around the unit. So on the top we've got a torch, and on the side here we've got a cover for the USB ports. So we've got micro USB for charging, and you can charge other devices from the standard USB port there. Continuing round, we've got a power button. Then round this side we've got a solar panel, relatively small, but it will charge the unit up in direct sunlight. Now we've got a handle here which we can flip up and use as a hook, maybe in your tent or wherever. Okay, so going back round, so the power button, it has a few modes. So press it once and you have the low power brightness. Then you can go to high power, SOS, and then turn it off. And round on the cover over here, we've got an LED indicating its charging status. So it'll be red when it's charging and green when it's full. Just be aware, when you're charging other devices from this, there's an 800 milliamp hour battery in there. So it's not going to charge any devices that much. In fact, in my test with the Galaxy S9, it went from 34% to 54% in a couple of hours. So you're only getting about 20% extra battery in your phone from it before this gets fully depleted. It takes about 5 hours to charge fully. If you leave it out in the sun, like this, and charge it in direct sunlight, it's going to take a while. They reckon 20 hours for a full charge. I left it in the garden on quite a sunny spring day in the UK. It was probably out there for maybe 7 hours in direct sunshine, and it probably got about an hour's worth of power out of it. So when I brought that in, I turned the unit on full power, and it lasted for about an hour before it died. So don't rely on that if you're going out camping. You're not going to charge it in a day. It's going to take quite some time. So on full brightness, the unit will last about 5 hours. On low brightness, it will take 10. And on flashing, that'll be about 6 hours. So you can either use it as a torch, as I mentioned, but if you twist it and then pull it up and it becomes a lantern, and see that's all the way around. So it casts light into the room, and it's strong enough. You could read by that. And it's not bad at all. Like I say, it will last 5 hours like that. This torch isn't separate. I guess the LEDs are at the bottom of the unit and shine through. So when you've got it down like that, the LEDs in the reflector there, and then when it's up, it sort of shines into this material and then beams out the sides, and you will get a small amount out of the top. In case you're wondering whether it powers up when you're charging it, it does. So that's quite handy. If you do have something like a USB power bank, you can attach that and the unit will take its power from the power bank, charge the battery and light up at the same time. So that's quite handy. The whole thing's really quite lightweight at 134 grams, so you're not really going to notice it in the backpack. It compacts down nicely into this little puck. It's not going to be totally waterproof, I don't think. There's nothing about whether it's weatherproofed in the documentation. It's about, it changes on Amazon from maybe about 16 to 19 pounds. So see what kind of deal you can get on it. So overall for the price, it's not too bad. I like the fact that in emergencies, you could use it to power up your phone a bit. And the amount of light that it puts out is pretty reasonable. It's nice and light, fit in your backpack, no problems. Looks relatively durable. and overall, not a bad buy. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Other than that, I'll see you next time.